when you ask the what question, the knee jerk reaction isn't yes, no. It
Mhm.
kind of forces them to stop, take a second and think.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I should probably give it a few more swings. I should just do it and like see what the reaction is. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, like the other thing that you can do is like we can listen to other people, how they're positioning it,
Mm.
because like Arden, Brody, Hannah, Tatiana, they like I never heard them have any struggle or any resistance at this point in the call at least. So it might just be like positioning, it might be how we're saying it, it might be the delivery. It could be a lot of things, right? Maybe it was just one bad call where this person, so take it with a grain of salt.
Yeah.
mentioned, like, I mean, you likely wouldn't need a permit anyway. Most of the time you don't, but just to kind of say we do have engineer drawings. If worse comes to worse, even down the line, if it's needed, then they're always there. Sure, you have to keep those on file.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and like I said, I'm not even going to approach the county. I'm just going to do this, and then if an issue comes up, then we'll deal with it at that time.
Yeah. Like, awesome, okay. Do you have any other questions on that side of things?
As far as no, regarding the permits and stuff like that, no. Um,
Yeah, the next item is just the foundation. The kit will really come with everything from the floor system, the doors, walls, windows, all the hardware, all the screens, all the ladder and the ticket system, and wood roofs, the wood engineered roofs.
Okay.
It's not going to come with a foundation. There are schematics we give for 3 different types.
Okay.
And yeah, aside from that, finishing roof material, metal or shingles, we don't currently supply that material at the moment, so that's something you source locally. But again, we give full guide or a full cut list or your specific bunkie of what to order from a metal roofing company or from for shingle. That's already itemized. And then you can add insulation if you like. The bunkie, you can do the roof and the floor, and that can be done with styrofoam insulation.
Great.
Yeah, and the last piece is just finishing the bunkie. So it would need to stain every 5 years or so. We apply those stains, like there's some companies that swear by, but yeah, we would give guidance on exactly what to do to seal up the bunkie as well.
Okay. Yeah, so we haven't determined what we would do there. Whether I don't think we paint the outside. It would likely be a sealant, or I'm not really crazy about staining it. I would prefer to just seal it. But we might have to just do a cat spot with some Thompson's water seal, or I don't know what you guys recommend. But that's what I had in mind.
Yeah, and it's just exactly like a deck, really. I mean, we do recommend a water-based stain, but I mean, we use that type of foundation on all of ours at the factory. A lot of clients use that type of foundation.
So how much would that be? Sorry,
1,409 August, early September, like arrival. Yeah.
All right, so I think we're now in like pillar 4-ish around there. I'm trying to get like right to the end of edge to like the net, like the end half of the call.
That's the timeline work for you?
I think so. Now, when I spoke with Adam yesterday, then he mentioned there was a promotion on no charge shipping. Is that actually a thing?
Right, yeah. So right now, yes. What we normally do shipping in 2 legs. So the first one is from Ontario to a hub in Calgary. Sorry, that's in Edmonton. It's in Edmonton.
Okay.
That leg would normally be 1,100 per bunkie, and that leg is currently free at the moment. So yeah, we're that's on us at the moment for the next sort of, I don't know how long it's running honestly, but probably the next week or so. Yeah. So that's right. The only other charge would be if you were not picking it up, we would deliver it to your door. So there would be a kind of final mile private delivery with a full offload. Okay.
So depending on what the cost of that would be, so if the shipping from Ontario to Edmonton is waived, I do have a trailer. How much does the bunkie weigh? Like when it's bundled up like that in a package, what does it weigh? Do you have any idea?
Yeah, the Haven Ultra is it's just over 4,000 pounds. So it's about 15 foot long. It's about 4 foot wide.
Briggs, just so I'm understanding, the they don't have the full like free delivery because where they're located, right? So you're saying like the like to the hub is free, but then they have to pay for like the final mile
Yes.
because
Yeah.
of the location. Yeah.
Yeah, because they're out of province. They're out of they're in Alberta, so we can have free shipping to the hubs. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. I feel like, and I told Stacy this. I was like, I wish we could just do free. Like, free shipping's free shipping. Like,
Yeah.
wherever you are. So it's on her radar, and like they're trying to figure out how to make it work. Because I feel like this is not your fault. It's like a resistance point in the poll, right? He's like, wait, free shipping, but like you're don't have to pay. Like it's like, I know you brought this up before.
Yeah. I think they're generally kind of understanding of it actually in Canada, funnily enough. In the US, like they are way more about free shipping. Like they go crazy for free shipping. But
Yeah.
in Canada, they just know the transport, like they know the terrain. It's nowhere near as connected as the US is. Like, so it's all, yeah, but
I understand. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, cool.
Like 4 foot high. Yeah, what is the delivery just there? Like, I can give you
What does it weigh?
it's double axle.
Yeah, it's a car hauler, so it does have the front.
You can mimic that by free coming exactly the same length of boards actually, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions on the process?
I can't think of anything at the moment. Yeah. Now, because it's being shipped from on.
Do you notice that you say any other questions? And then he said no. And then he asked the question.
Yeah.
So one thing that you can do, Brian, is like we want to elicit all these questions instead of saying like binary yes, no during the pillars, use what. Try to use what. What other questions? And like because their knee-jerk reaction won't be like when you ask a what question, the knee-jerk reaction isn't yes, no. It kind of forces them to stop, take a second, and think. So like in this specific instance, you ask him any other questions, he's like no, and then he had a question. Then he had a question right. If we say like what other questions do you have, then it kind of like it's not a knee-jerk reaction. So if you do what after each pillar, you will elicit more questions. And if you're getting a lot of objection at the end, it's typically because they have questions that we haven't clarified, or it's like something that they don't understand, or if they're not ready to move forward, it's because like they're not grasping something. So it's just like a little thing that could potentially help you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I do see that sometimes. So
Hey, by the way, my name is Chris Sanchez, and I build predictable, elite, and fully systemized sales teams. I've helped clients generate over $54 million in revenue and ramped countless sales reps using the approach that I call the sales team operating system. What you just watched was a real sales team OS session that I pulled from a live client. If you want to see exactly how I run, manage, and scale elite 8-figure sales teams, don't click away just yet. In this next video right here, there's another sales team OS breakdown where I go deeper into the building, coaching, managing elite reps. Go ahead and click it and enjoy. Cheers.